Good morning, my dear students. Welcome to our new discussion for today. In this video, I will be discussing the nature of the Philippine festival dances. At the end of this video, you will be able to identify the festivals celebrated all over the country throughout the year and describes the origins and cultural background of selected Philippine festivals. Festival dance is a cultural dance performed to the strong beats of percussion instruments by a community of people sharing the same culture, usually done in honor of a patron saint or in thanksgiving of a bountiful harvest. Festival dances draw people's culture by portraying the people's way of life through movements, costumes and implements inherent to their place of origin. Festivals are delightful events for the Filipinos, since we are art-loving and fun-loving people. One of the celebrations Filipinos like are the different festivals. Our country has different festivals that we celebrate. Most of them are religious, but we also have non-religious ones. They celebrate it with passion and enthusiasm. People from other places even join their celebration to experience the fun and to see the beautiful costumes and props the locals use during the celebration. There are two natures of Philippine festival dances. 1. Cultural dance with religious influences. 2. Indigenous influence or non-religious festival. Example of cultural with religious influences. Ati-Atihan Festival is a Philippine festival held annually in January in honor of the Santo Niño in several towns of the province of Aklan, Panay Island. The biggest celebration is held on the third Sunday of January in the town of Calibo, the province's capital. Mauryans Festival is a Lenten festival held annually on Holy Week on the island of Marinduque, Philippines. The Mauryans are men and women in costumes. Legend has it that Longinus pierced the side of the crucified Christ. The blood that spurted forth touched his blind eye and fully restored his sight. This miracle converted Longinus to Christianity. Dinagyang Festival is a famous and religious and cultural festival in Iloilo City, Philippines, held on the fourth Sunday of January, or right after the Sinulog in Cebu and the Ati-Atihan Festival in Calibo, Aklan. Bahia's festival, originally known as the Feast of San Ysidro, showcases houses decorated with colorful kiting accented with farm produce such as rice, fruits, and vegetables. Example of indigenous influence or non-religious festival, Lanzones Festival is a hallmark event in the Philippines and happens every October. With the abundance of arts, heritage, culture, food, natural wonders, and of course, its sweet Lanzones, Camiguin should have been the island to be at this time of the year. Mascara Festival is an annual festival with highlights held every fourth Sunday of October in Bacolod, Philippines. The most recent festival was held from October 8 to 27, 2019. The festival sites include the Bacolod Public Plaza, the Lacson Tourism Strip, and the Bacolod Government Center. Ibelong Festival is a non-religious festival in Legazpi City, Albay, Philippines, based on the Ibelong epic, and is held in August. The festival celebrates the epic story of Ibelong, who was accompanied by three legendary heroes, namely Baltog, Handyon, and Banton. Panagbenga Festival, also known as Flower Festival, is a month-long annual flower occasion occurring in Baguio. The term is of Kankanay origin, meaning season of blooming. The festival, held in February, was created as a tribute to the city's flowers and as a way to rise up from the devastation of the 1990 Luzon earthquake. Activity time in this video will put your knowledge to the test. Complete all of the tasks and follow your teacher's instructions for submitting your responses. Question time. Write your answer on the comment section of this video. As a student, how will you encourage Filipino youth to promote and preserve our festivals? To learn more, don't forget to subscribe into this channel for more video lesson.